This is our second lesson, and we're going to look at this problem here. Mr. C has $100 to spend on school supplies for his classroom. His students need pencils, erasers, binders, lined paper, whiteboard markers, and crayons. When he looks through the catalog, he discovers that the items he needs are only available in packages. The table below shows the prices. So here we need to look at how much is needed for each item. So there's 20 students in the class. This is important information. So each student needs 5 pencils, 2 erasers, 5 binders, 50 sheets of lined paper, 1 whiteboard marker, and 1 entire package of crayons. And then this right here tells us Mr. C needs 8 more whiteboard markers himself. So in order to do this, we need to figure out how many total items we need. So let's look at pencils, for example, and we can do this on the next one was bind. The next one is line. Next is the chart. In our original chart here, so we need a total of 100 pencils. We need a total of 40 erasers. We need 100 binders, 1,000 sheets of paper, 28 markers, and we're going to need 20. Sorry, I made a mistake here. We're going to need 20 markers. So that's what we need. So now we have to figure out how many packages. So we need, so this is packages. How many packages should we order? Packages to order. And then here is going to be the total cost. So if we need 100 total pencils and there's 10 per package, what we do here is do 100 divided by 10. So we need 10 packages. Now for erasers, this is the tricky one right here. We need 40 erasers. When you divide it by 12, you get an answer of about 3.6. You can't order 3.6 of a package. So what you're going to need to do in this situation, you're going to have to order 1 more. So you're going to need 4 packages of pencils, of erasers, sorry, because 3 packages gives you 36. That's not enough. So you need to add an extra package for 48 erasers. So you need to order 4 packages of erasers and not 3. Binders, we need 100 binders. So 100 divide that by 25 gives us 4. Lined paper, we need 1,000. Divide it by 100, that gives us 10. Whiteboard markers, we need 28. They come in packages of 4. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And the last one, crayons, we just need 20. Okay, this one was a tricky one because it was a tricky one. That's all it was. And now to get the total cost of these items, we need to do some multiplication. So if we need 10 packages of pencils and they're 50 cents each, 10 times 0.50 is $5. And we need 4 packages of erasers. They're $1 each, so it would be 4 times 1. Binders are $5 per package, and there's 4 packages, so 5 times 4 is 20. That would be $20. Lined paper, you need 10 packages. Multiply that by $1.50, and it gives you $15. Whiteboard markers, you need 7 packages, and they're $4 each. That's $28. And lastly, you need 20 packages of crayons. That's $20. And now what we need to do is we need to find the sum of the total cost. That means you're adding all of these together. You should get a grand total of $92. Slide here. So pencils, we have 20 students and each need 5 pencils. So in order to figure out how many total, we can do 20 times 5. So we need 100 pencils in total. Erasers, this one's a little bit trickier. We have 20 students, and we need 2 erasers per student. So we need 20 times 2. So we need 40. And then the next, binders, 20 students, and it's 5 binders each. So 20 times 5 again, which is 100. Paper, lined paper. So there's 20 students and 50 sheets each. So that would be 20 times 50 for 1,000. Whiteboard markers. So if you recall, this was the tricky one. Whiteboard markers. So there's 20 students, and they need 1 marker each. So that's 20 times 1 equals 20. But it said Mr. C needed 8. So we need to add 8 for Mr. C for a grand total of 20. And the last one was crayons. So 20 students, 1 package each for a total of 20 packages. Okay. So now we're going to take these numbers and go back to this page here. We have $92 and we have enough. So $92 is how much it's going to cost. So does Mr. C have enough? Yes, he does. Okay. And the last slide. If he does have enough money, how much is left over from the $100? So you would take the $100, subtract $92, gives you a grand total of $8. So in this one question, we used all 4 operations. So this is a multi-step problem. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.